There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, the 11 lovely candidates vying for the Miss Gay Flores de Mayo 2013. Now, ladies and gentlemen, it's time to meet our first judge is a graduate of elementary in Bumagkat Primary and Bagalay Elementary School. She graduated at Gadani National High School, year 1998. A graduate of Bachelor of Secondary Education at the DWCB year 2002. Worked as secondary school teacher for 6 years at the Holy Spirit Academy of Banguel. Then took up her elementary education at ASIS, Banguel. At present, Teacher 1 of Bumagkat Elementary School, starting November 2011. Married to Mr. Carlo Balneg, owner of Carlos Bamboo Craft and Furnishing, known as National Awardee for Small and Medium Enterprise of the province. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Ma'am Bridget B. Balneg.